Hey tech fans, welcome to Tech Review and this is Gani. In this video, I'm gonna unbox the Oraimo Necklace 2C. So without wasting the time, let's begin the unboxing.
Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting techie videos, and also don't forget to give a thumbs up.
So here we have the box named as Oraimo Necklace 2C and with 365 days warranty. There are some specs side of the box. Here we have as lightweight and sweat proof with built-in mic, magnetic buds, smooth fit, and there is a powerful base and long standby with a 13 hours. And at back of it priced as 2499, but at Amazon I got it for only 999. Now let's break down the box and see what we get inside it. So here we have the inner box. Let's pull it. Here we can see that it looks as a premium look. So friends, we got a necklace band. Let's see, open it. It's securely fit. Very hard to open it. So here we have the band. It's pretty cool. Named as Oraimo side of it. Let's keep it aside and see what else we get. At the back of it, something is there. Yes. We got a secret box. Inside it there are two pairs of buds cap. One is medium and no, one is large and a small one. And a USB to micro USB cable. And also a warranty card. And a welcome guide. Nothing inside it. So now let's see the neckband. This neckband comes with magnetic buds, and here we have some buttons, a main button and volume rockers. So, yeah, and buds. Here we have the buds. We can see they are very premium and easy fit. Here we have the power slider. If we slide this, the neckband power ons. And Here we have the light indicator and a USB input, micro USB input to charge the neckband when nothing is there on it. Friends, the neckband comes with HD sound and powerful bass, 380 hours standby and 13 hours music play and 13 hours talk time with 200 mAh battery. The buds come with 10 mm drivers and Bluetooth 5.0. Friends, I used it for a day and I experienced a super HD quality sound and powerful bass. The 10 mm drivers works very well with their standby. The mids and highs are very well balanced. You can experience the very every tune of the music. That's all for today, guys. I hope you like the video. So please subscribe and help me to monetize my channel. Thanks for watching.